So the state understands that the state and Miss Brown are in agreement with pretty much everything on this. Uh, so, Your Honor, state would like the court to confirm child support arrears as the last day of last month, which is December 31st, 2024, and also the medical support arrears, same date, due repayments for both of those. Um, uh, State would like the court to set cash medical at $35 per month. It originally in the last order, which was a divorce decree back in November 2020, was 39. State would like the court to set current child support at $790 per month. And both of those starting February 1st, 2025. Originally, Your Honor, it was $150 in the divorce decree. Yes, Your Honor, the state has child support officer Brianna Aita to testify as to wages to support the current support and current child support and medical support. State understands that there are three children in this case, two outside. And there's also one other one, but whose rights have been terminated, and there's no obligations on that other one. So we all agree to ignore that child for the purposes of the calculations. And Your Honor, just to make it clear that even though Mr. Overby may have been served in Missouri, state understands that he lives in Mississippi now. So the state used Mississippi income tax when calculating support.
All right. Okay, so at this time, Ms. Aita has already been sworn. Ms. Brown, raise your right hand. Ma'am, do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're going to give here today is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth will help you?
I do.
All right, ma'am, you're officially under oath, and I'll allow the state to proceed, and I'll have the state let me know whether or not what we need to confirm as far as any child support or cash medical arrears are concerned in this case. But this time you may proceed, Mr. Welch, and call your first witness.
Thank you, Your Honor. State calls child support officer Brianna Aita.
Yes, sir.
And Your Honor, this would be a good time. State would like to offer the financial report, which was already sent to you into evidence.
All right, ma'am, this is the financial activity report in your case. It shows what monies have been paid to the state disbursement unit. Is there any legal reason I should not allow this in evidence, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right, states one's admitted. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ms. Aita, did you conduct an investigation on this case?
Yes, I did.
What were the results of your investigation?
So I was able to find wages for the last 4 quarters available. So for the fourth quarter of 2023, I found gross monthly wages of $4,134. For the first quarter of 2024, I was able to find gross monthly wages of $4,122.67. For the second quarter of 2024, the gross monthly was $3,545. And then for the third quarter of 2024, I was able to find gross monthly wages of $3,813.67.
And would you consider accurate that the average for those 4 quarters is $3,903.84?
Correct.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Brown, any questions of the CSO?
No, sir.
All right, the court will note thank you very much, Ms. Aita, and we'll note for the record that the average for the last 4 quarters reported for the non-custodial party is $3,908.84. You may proceed.
Thank you, Your Honor. And it's $3,903.84, Your Honor.
Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, $3,903.84. Got it. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. A state calls and I'm probably gonna mispronounce this, ma'am. Sanna Brown.
Yes, sir.
What is your full name?
Shanna Brown.
What are the full names of the children in this case?
Sky Overby, Connor Brown, and Bodie Overby.
So when was Sky born?
December 7th, 2010.
So how old is Sky?
14.
When was Connor born?
October 4th, 2012.
So how old is Connor?
12 years old.
When was Bodie born?
November 5th, 2015.
So how old is Bodie?
9 years old.
What health insurance do you have for the children?
Medicaid.
Do you have access to private dental insurance?
It has dental. They're under Medicaid for dental.
It's not, they are under government, dental also, correct, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so no private, Mr. Welch, you can continue.
Thank you, Your Honor. Do you have anything you would like to add to Miss Atha's testimony?
No, sir.
And what is as far as you're aware, what is Mr. Overby's current occupation?
He's a police officer.
And where does he live?
In Mississippi. I can't recall the city.
Do you agree to confirm child support arrears at $5,773.26 as of December 31st, 2024?
Yes.
Do you agree to a repayment on those of $79 per month starting February 1st, 2025?
Yes.
And do you understand that as each child emancipates, that amount will go up to first $222, to then $367, and then at the end $869?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to confirm medical support arrears of $2,131.08?
Yes, sir.
And do you agree to a repayment on those of $61 per month starting February 1st, 2025?
Yes, sir.
And do you understand that total medical support arrears is as of December 31st, 2024?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to cash medical of $35 per month starting February 1st, 2025?
Yes, sir.
Do you agree to current child support of $790 per month starting February 1st, 2025?
Yes, sir.
Do you understand that as each of the children emancipate, that amount will go down to first $647 and then $502, and then, of course, when all children emancipated, $0?
Yes, sir.
Are you aware if Mr. Overby has any other children besides the children in this case?
He has 2 other ones with his wife.
And are those biologically his, or did he adopt them?
They're biologically his.
Do they live with him, or as far as you know, does he pay support for them?
They live with him.
And are those 2 children older or younger than your 3?
Younger.
So how old approximately are they?
The youngest one is under 1, I believe, and the other one is maybe 1 or 2. I think she's 2 now.
Pass the witness, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Brown, I'm looking at going ahead and granting the modification in your case. First off, I'm going to reduce the judgment, the unpaid child support, unpaid cash medical on a repayment is requested by you and the state at the amount requested. I'm gonna go ahead and modify the child support. And my understanding, what date did you want to start the new child support amount, Mr. Welch?
February 1st, 2025 for pretty much all the dates.
Okay, for everything, the start date on the new child support, start date on new cash medical are the same at on the 1st of February 2025. I'm going to go ahead and order repayment on the child support amount, unpaid child support, and an additional $60 a month, and on the unpaid cash medical, an additional $25 a month, and those both start the first day of February. And I'll waive court costs due to him being a public servant. Is there anything else, ma'am, you asking me to do here in addition to what the state is asking me to do?
No, sir.
All right, Mr. Welch, is there anything else you need to specifically rule on?
Your Honor, I just wanted to clarify for the repayments of the arrears. The state recommended, the 79 for the child support and 61 for medical. Are you changing that, Your Honor?
Yeah. I'm getting them closer to. I don't want to go well above 1,000. I'm going to keep it right at 1,000. Both of those cover the interest and then some. So yeah, it's not a problem.
And so, Your Honor, what are the amounts that you would like?
Okay. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and go with 65 on the child support, and I think I said 35 on the cash medical, but I maybe let's see what I wrote down. Yeah, let's go ahead and go with 35 on the cash medical. 60, so an extra $100. I was looking at making it come out to an extra $100 a month.
All right, Your Honor. So 79 plus. Oh, let me just. Apologies. Get the calculator out.
65 on the child support repayment, 35 on the cash medical.
Oh. So it's just 65 for the repayment of the child support and 31 for the repayment of the medical support then.
35 on the cash medical.
All right. Got it, Your Honor.
Okay.
And
anything else on this witness, sir?
No further questions, Your Honor.
All right. Do you need me to specifically rule on anything else? And again, I waived the court costs. So anything else?
No, Your Honor. I think that's it.
All right. Are you asking Ms. Brown to go back in the breakout room until you get the order over to her to review and sign off on, sir?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Brown, we're going to try to get you out here as fast as we can, but the state's going to get you over to the breakout room and get you that order to review and sign off on. And that way I can sign off on it and we can get this whole new set of standards started. Anything else, ma'am?
No, sir.
All right. Well, good luck to you and the kids, and everybody have a happy and safe New Year. And be careful out there and try not to get too cold next week. Okay.
Thank you. You too.
Yeah. Of course, the kids all want to see snow, and the grown-ups are going no. So yeah, there we go. So yeah. Anyway, take care, ma'am.
Thank you. You too.
All right, we're off the record. And like I say, the state's gonna get you back in the breakout room, and we'll get you taken care of.
The child was adopted by Mr. Neer, but the child is the biological child of Miss Johnson.
That's correct. Mr. Neer has tried to rescind that adoption in the state of Michigan,